Hello everyone, this is Nikki here with Olivia. You can see Olivia in her bassinet, and I wanted to just make a real quick video to let you see that she just woke up and I got her all changed and everything. She's in her little slippers with the little bears on them, and her little romper that her Aunt Shannon got her with the little teddy bear on it. And here's a bigger picture of the bassinet. It's got little ducks on it. I just got this blanket the other day, and so since her theme is ducks, I wanted to do ducks on her crib. So anyway, that's her crib, and over here underneath the crib is where I keep her diaper bag, extra diapers, and her changing table that rolls out. And then here we have her shelves where I keep all of her clothes and everything. And so we have all of her clothes in those, and above we've got her stuffed animals and some extra diapers, so we have them on hand. And this doesn't actually go there. That's her bib. I was going to feed her here in just a minute. But anyway, she's got just little odds and ends that she needs throughout the day, like her powder and wipes. And here we have our bottles, and we'll need one of those out. I prefer a Playtex Nurser bottle, and I just think they're really good bottles, and they seem to be really decent when it comes to feeding the babies. I really like them. So that's what I use a lot. Then we keep all of her pacifiers in here, bottles in here, extra pacifiers, and then kind of a strange place to have clothes hanging, but I don't really have a place to hang them right now. But these are her clothes that we have hanging. And this is a little dress that her grandma helped me pick out. It's got little ruffles and kind of foo-foo. And that is what she is going to be wearing for her Easter dress this year, her very first Easter. And it looks kind of blue on the camera, I think, but it is purple. So I like that a lot. And then another one of my favorites is her jacket that Aunt Lydia got her. And it's actually hanging on the little ladybug hanger as well that she sent. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's really bad in here. Anyway, so she's got those, and yeah, that's just a quick view of the nursery and everything, and of Olivia. And so anyway, I guess we'll get on with our day. So if you guys want to see anything special or in particular, let me know, and I will do my best to get it on as soon as possible. Been having some problems with my camera lately, but I'm working on it and working with it to try to get it to work. Now we've got Odafin. It's my little dog Odafin, and he's wanting attention right now. So anyway, alright guys, well, I will see you later, and enjoy the video. Bye-bye.